The Divine Wisdom, Why Learning the Quran Word by Word is Life-Changing Introduction. I am here to tell you Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, have you ever wondered why Allah chose the Quran as His ultimate guidance for humanity? And have you thought about how learning the Quran, not just reciting it but truly understanding its word-by-word meaning, can transform your life? In this video, I will share why we should immerse ourselves in learning the Quran, how Tarjuma Quran, word-for-word translation, helps us in our daily lives, and how our Asan Quran course is designed to make this journey both meaningful and easy for everyone. Remember, this course is for Urdu users. Segment 1. Why learning the Quran word by word matters. Here we teaches you written words and meanings. We want all of you to learn a divine message. The Quran is not just a book, it is Allah's direct message to us, His servants. Every word, every letter, carries divine wisdom and guidance. When we learn the Quran word by word, we unlock its treasures directly, without relying solely on translations or interpretations. By understanding each word, we connect deeply with the message. For example, knowing that Rahman and Rahim both derive from the root word for mercy makes us feel Allah's boundless compassion in every prayer. Segment 2. How Tarjuma Quran impacts our lives. It's a journey of life. Imagine starting your day with a verse like Anema al-Yusri Yusra, with hardship comes ease. When you understand this verse directly, it becomes a source of strength in your toughest moments. The Tarjuma Quran is like a mirror reflecting solutions to our everyday challenges, from dealing with stress and relationships to finding peace in chaos. It guides us to make better choices, be more patient, and stay hopeful. A sister once told me, when I started learning the meaning of the Quran, I realized it was like Allah was directly speaking to my heart. This is the transformative power of Tarjuma Quran. It will change your life. Segment 3, the Asan Quran course, a simple path to divine wisdom. In this segment we focus on word-by-word explanation. Our Asan Quran course is a unique learning journey divided into 4 comprehensive segments. 1. Learning word meanings from different translations. We begin by focusing on word-for-word meanings from trusted translations like Misbah al-Quran and Asan Tarjuma Quran. This helps you grasp the essence of each word and its context. 2. Exploring multiple translations. Here, we compare meanings from various tarjumas to give you a richer understanding of each verse. This clears doubts and deepens your comprehension of Allah's words. 3. Dars Quran and Tafsir. In this segment, we provide a detailed explanation of the verses you've learned. We connect the Quranic lessons to our daily lives, helping you practice its teachings practically. 4. Quranic recitation. Finally, we conclude with a melodious recitation of the Quran by a famous Qari. Listening to the recitation reinforces what you've learned, and we encourage all participants to recite and share the lesson with others. It's very important. Segment 4, the ripple effect of sharing and practicing. Students teaching their families, listening to lessons during commutes, and discussing Quranic reflections in study groups. We encourage our students to recite, listen, and share their lessons with others. The beauty of learning the Quran word by word doesn't stop with you. When you understand and apply it, you inspire those around you, your family, friends, and even strangers. We encourage our students to recite, listen, and share their lessons with others. This habit not only strengthens your connection with the Quran but also creates a ripple effect of divine wisdom spreading across communities. And help you for eternal success. Conclusion. I can say, my dear brothers and sisters, the Quran is a gift beyond measure. Learning it word by word is not just an act of devotion but a pathway to transforming your life and the lives of those around you. I invite you to join our Asan Quran course and experience this transformation for yourself. Let's embark on this journey together and draw closer to Allah through His words. Jazakum Allahu khair for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.